Hi guys, we're the Wolfmans and we are building our next dream home right across the street from the first custom home we've built. So far, we finished framing the main floor and the second floor, and we've also installed the roof. And now we are continuing the construction inside with drains, sewage connections, and pouring the concrete slab for our basement floor.
So I know this part of the build might not be the sexiest, but it sure is important. Where does all the shit go? At this point in the build, we are laying out all of the drains in the basement, which will take out all of the waste into the city sewer system. Also, for a little bit of extra waterproofing protection in the inside of the house, we put dimple board on the interior walls, which will then funnel any water that might happen to seep in into the weeping tiles we laid, which will then get flushed out from our sump pit and sump pump. After we finish laying out all of the drains, we will then cover them with 4 inches of limestone before we pour the concrete on top, which will be our basement floors.
How's it going, man? Good, good. All right, we're pouring some concrete for the basement today. Sliding it down off a nice little ramp here. Pouring the whole basement floor. Flowing nicely. And then after that, we're gonna build out this porch area. And then we're gonna pour the porch. It's gonna be a fun day today. We got a worker laughing at me taking a video right here. Love it. So this is for us right here. We got our whole road closed. Pretty much our road is closed because of all the work they're doing at the front of our house today. All right, so guys from the city are here to connect our sewers and set up the water line out from the city. So they're doing some nice digging. We actually have a bit of an issue right now. All the stone that's sitting here is in the way. So we're just scrambling right now to find a forklift to be able to move the stone out of the way. Otherwise, these guys aren't going to be able to finish, and it could be 2 months till they're back here. So we need to get this done today. So, you know, such is life on a construction site sometimes, but we'll get it all taken care of.
So at this stage, we have completed laying the drains in the interior of the house, and now it's time for the city workers to come and make the connection between the city sewers and our drains in the basement. So they need to come in and dig about 10 feet deep to make the connection and run the drains into the sewer system. After they make this connection, they will then pour concrete to cover up the drains and top that off with some dirt. So thank you guys so much for watching the video today. We really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can follow along our journey as we're building our second dream home. Let us know if you liked the video, leave us a comment or a like. We would love to hear from you. We really hope you enjoyed, and we are looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye guys.